So guys, this is my money system whenever I travel. Let me show it to you. First things first, syempre, with my passport, I always have a few $100. Bakit? Whenever there is an emergency, US dollars will always be reliable. Pwede ko siya i-convert to cash or just in case any emergency, kaya ko siyang gamitin. Then guys, whenever I need to withdraw money, definitely I will just use my debit cards. And definitely the Visa GCash card is one of the best out there. Kasi guys, these cards pwede to mag-tap to pay. But also pwede ako mag-withdraw. GCash Visa, in a lot of countries, no withdrawal fees and they will give you the best rate. Whenever you tap to pay, maganda rin yung CBank card because may rebate ka. And also the GoTime card kasi may rebate ka. Now, CBank, 0% ang international forex transaction fee niya whenever you tap to pay. Si GoTime may 1%. So medyo ito third place to. Best talaga so far is my GCash Visa card. Paminsan may minimal withdrawal fees. If ever, para hindi ka malugi dyan, ang gagawin mo is withdraw more. And then for a lot of my purchase, alam niyo man credit cards ang ginagamit ko. I always have a MasterCard and a Visa kasi widely accepted siya. So always have a MasterCard and a Visa. I always recommend that. Now, whenever you're choosing a credit card, always select the low foreign transaction fee credit cards. Alam mo yan, nasa profile ko yan. Backup ko naman will be a JCB, Amex, Union Pay, or yung mga other diners. Pero this one is backup. Kung may promo sila, go. Pero usually, again, MasterCard and Visa. Whenever I have cash na in a foreign country, what I will always do, I put them in Ziplocs. Pwedeng ganitong Ziploc bag ka. Or if ever this one, binili ko to sa Muji. I love it kasi kasha yung money, kasha yung train card, kasha yung mga coins mo rin as well. Everything is inside. So whenever you go home, pwede mo lang to dalhin sa bag mo or save it for your next trip. If you already watched this far sa video ko na to, guys, comment down an envelope. And then if ever I choose you as a winner, I'm going to give out, syempre, some of these like envelopes na nabili ko sa Muji. Guys, there will be 5 winners. O, diba?